Hi, for this video what I want to do is show you an application of using the volume of a rectangular prism. So what we have is a water reservoir has a rectangular base that measures 35 meters by 40 meters and vertical walls that are 12 meters high. So that creates a rectangular prism, and if you wanted to draw a picture to help you visualize, you can always do so. All right, so the base of this is 35 meters by 40 meters, and the height of this is 12 meters. So at the beginning of the summer, the reservoir was filled. At the end of the summer, the water depth was 5 meters. So at the end, we are up to 5 meters. And we want to know how much water was used during the summer. So understanding the problem is we are trying to figure out how much water was used. So on this one, there are actually two approaches that you could do to this problem. And it's kind of up to you which one you choose to do. So the first option that we can do is find the volume at full capacity. And subtract the volume at the end of the summer. And then option 2 is find the difference in the heights first, then find the volume using that height. So really there are two approaches to this, and sometimes there's more than one way of arriving at the correct answer. So I'm going to go through option 1 first. So option 1, the first thing that we need to do is we need to find the volume when full. So remember that the volume of a rectangular prism is the length times the width times the height. So I would just take 35 times 40, and when full, it is going to give me 12. And remember that all of these are in meters. So my final answer is going to be in cubic meters. So I would just take and plug into my calculator 35 times 40 times 12, which gives me a total of 16,800 cubic meters. Okay, we would then find the volume at the end of summer. And we would do the 35 meters times the 40 meters times the 5 meters, which ends up giving me a total of 7,000 cubic meters. And then to find the water used, we would find the difference between these two. So I would take the 16,800 cubic meters and I would subtract the 7,000 cubic meters. And this ends up giving me a total of 9,800 cubic meters. So this is option 1. And we can see that approximately 9,800 cubic meters of water was used over the summer. Option 2 is to find the difference in the water heights from the beginning to the end. So I would take the 12 meters minus the 5 meters, which gives me a total of 7 meters. So we used 7 meters from the top to the bottom. So then we can just find the volume using the 7 meters. So we would take the 35 meters times the 40 meters and then multiply this by 7 meters. And when I do plug that into my calculator, I end up with 9,800 cubic meters. So either one arrives at the same answer. So sometimes there is more than one way to get to the correct solution. So we can say that 9,800 cubic meters of water was used during the summer. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics you would like me to cover, please let me know that as well.